All right, guys, thank you very much for checking out this video. Thank you very much for checking out IPO Market Watch, which has nothing to do with just IPOs, right? I cover all the IPOs, but I also cover stocks in the stock market that have already been trading. Just like in this video, I will show you a stock that's, I think is, it's trading very cheap, right? And I believe that it is a good swing trade. I'll get that right away. So let me get some things out of the way first. Disclaimers. Never buy a stock according to my video. Do your own due diligence. Second, I think that this is a good swing trade, right? It could be also a good day trade. As far as long-term trade, that is something that honestly I would have to decide once I'm finished with the swing trade. Or once I get to the point of where I think the stock will go, then I'll have to reevaluate, right? So before we get to this $2 stock, join the Discord. It is amazing and you're gonna like it. In fact, it's gonna get even better if things go well. I am evaluating right now for the next 7 to 10 days. I am evaluating and using a professional grade, stunning professional grade from a very professional, well-known company. Their financial service products. And if I feel that everyone in my Discord will be able to comprehend this and use this, it will be integrated in my Discord very soon. And what will that offer you? Dark pool, live, everything that you need to know about what's going on in the dark pool. Live flow of what's going on in options. Live, where whales are buying right away and selling. Buy signals. All the latest news, SEC filings the second they come out, all sorts of things, and way more things. It's going to be awesome, and I think it's going to be a great addition to the Discord. Besides that, you have access to what I choose and pick and buy ahead of time. When I always let people know, okay, I'm going to buy this stock at this price, and I will sell it at that price. People know that information, and so far I have been able to do this. 251 profitable picks that were sold profitable in this year in 2023. 251. I'm not making them up. Those things were live, right? So 44 open positions, only 9 for a loss. If you like these numbers, if you like the idea of 251 stock picks being sold profitable and were announced ahead of time, join the Discord. Link will be in the comment section below. You have to join the Patreon, right? So when you click on the link and you see Patreon, don't feel like you clicked on the wrong thing. That's how it goes. Through Patreon, you get Discord. All right, guys. So the pick, the stock, LX. I hope I'm not wrong. I'm not perfect, right? I'm not perfect. I'm not a perfect human being. But LexinFintech Holdings Ltd has drawn my attention for several reasons. One of the biggest reasons is the past 10 trading days, if you guys have noticed, the financial Chinese sector is on fire. The financial trading stocks, the financial stocks from China, not all, but most have been reporting really good earnings and they're doing very well. Just recently, Tiger, right? That did well. In fact, I had warned about Tiger on my Discord when it was at $4.16 and it closed on Friday at $5.86 or higher than that. So that was awesome. And the one I'm going to focus on starting this week is ticker symbol LX. It closed on Friday after hours at $2.67, right? So market cap, as we can see here, is about 432 million. If we see the shares outstanding, 63 million. Another thing that makes this stock very interesting, drew my attention, is that they announced that they will have, for the first time, a dividend. Now they're offering a 12-cent dividend quarterly, 12-cent dividend to their shareholders. What does that show about the company? It shows that the company feels that, hey, you know what? If we can handle a 12-cent dividend because financially we're doing well and we're going to do better. We see something, we know something. Let's get that dividend out. That dividend is going to be paid also to the American depositary shares. So I think, it's not, at first it's not going to drive the, a huge amount of institutional investors to this. Although institutional investors love those 12-cent dividends, they don't pass them up. I think they will first try to see if, is this company going to be able to handle this dividend? Financially, they're doing well and so on. This is a very legit company. They've been around for a very long time with revenues in the billions of dollars. But the fact that they're now giving a dividend is a very, very, very positive sign. And I'm super excited about that. Volume on the average is 825,000. So there's, it's a liquid enough stock to get in and out at any time. So LexinFintech Holdings Ltd, through its subsidiaries, provides online consumer finance services in China. The company operates the Fenqual.com, an online consumption and consumer finance platform that offers installment purchase and personal installment loans, as well as online direct sales with installment payment terms. Let's look at some financial data that's very critical about this stock. LexinFintech Holdings shares hit 2-week high after Q2 results, and the company reaffirms guidance. So shares in LexinFintech Holdings rose 8.48% to $2.43 on Wednesday. Friday they closed at $2.67, right? So the stock keeps going up after the holding company's revenue of $421 million registered a double-digit growth compared to the previous year. How about the total loan origination of the second quarter of 2022, which represented a year-over-year growth of 30% positive, which is awesome. Another thing, net profit margin increased 11.8%, and it used to be 6.8%. The company's total number of registered users reached 199 million, so almost 200 million as of June 30th, representing an increase of 11.8% from that of a year ago. And now they also offer a dividend. This company is on to a really good track record. In fact, they've been into that track record of, really positive track record since 2018, where they have not been operating at a loss. Since 2018, the earnings have been positive, right? And you can see that right here. So revenue growth is the blue, and then the earnings positive green. And that's really awesome. So the company has introduced a new dividend policy, and that dividend policy is going to be very interesting because it's not going to be exactly 12 cents. It's going to be 12 cents minimum, because it's going to be a distribution from 15 to 30% of its net income on a semi-annual basis to its shareholders. Looking ahead, the company said in 2023 forward-looking statement, revenue growth is estimated to suggest a 19.3% positive growth rate. We can see the total revenue of this company going back from 2015 here at $2.5 billion, going all the way to 2022 to reach $9.8 billion. But 2023 is set to, by the company, they said that they're going to finish 2023 higher than 2022, and forward looking of that, they're seeing more growth. So that's awesome. And I think that, right now the stock is trading at a very cheap price. In my opinion, it's a very good entry going forward. It might not be just a swing trade, it might also be a long-term trade, but I prefer to take it step by step. Let me just go for the swing trade target, and I may not sell if I reach my target. Once I reach my target, I'll reevaluate and say, okay, should I sell or should I continue? The gross profit has been positive every year, amazing. Operating income positive every year, amazing. Net income on a positive every year, except that of 2016, but whatever. From 2017 going forward, positive, awesome, perfect. There's no complaints on I like it. Analysts are giving this a very strong buy. They see an average of about $3.60, which is very reasonable. That's one of the reasons why I'm very bullish, because I also personally believe that it could reach that, and I think that it will, but I'm not 100%. Let me know in the comment section, everyone. What do you think about this stock? Do your due diligence. Do not buy it just based on this video, because that would be wrong, right? That would be wrong. Don't do that. And after you do your due diligence, if you want, come back and share in the comment section below what you think about this stock. And if you think it's a buy or not, swing trade, long-term trade, just a day trade, what do you think about this? I think this is definitely one of the top stocks I am looking forward to on Tuesday, starting pre-market hours. Have a good trading day, everyone, and take care.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.